Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the ninth installment of this mini golf video tutorials. Just as a disclaimer, you're gonna hear a bell ring in just a moment. I am in school and there will be a bell ringing, so just heads up on that. In this video, we're gonna be building a palm tree, all right? And I'll show you how to do that. So to do this, we're going to start with a construction plan, and we want to figure out where exactly we want it. I'm thinking maybe this area might be pretty good. So whichever area you choose, you want to choose which wall or which side you're going to be working on, okay? So if I want it in this area, I'm going to choose this wall. If you want it, let's say in this area, you might choose this wall. But we're going to start with our construct offset plane. And I guess since I'm working in this area, I'll choose this wall here. And what we want to keep in mind is that everything up to this work plane is going to be taken away. We're going to be, the tree is going to be basically right on this work plane. So you want to figure out exactly where you want it to be. Is this too close to the bridge? Yeah, it looks a little too close. So, oh, it's going the wrong way. Okay, maybe here. It looks okay. All right. So I'm going to go with that, and we're going to hit OK, and we're going to create a sketch. Okay, and so we can do anything. We're going to get rid of this wall by toggling on slice. Okay, I'm going to zoom way in. So we want to start a line from this point here. I always like to just grab whatever line that I'm working on, which is there. It just makes it easier for the lines to kind of snap to it. And I'm going to start here. It's fine, right there. And I'm going to make this 60-inch line. The reason why, the podium is 40 inches, and I want it to be taller than the podium. So let's hit OK. We're going to bring this down. And what I'd like to do is I'm going to toggle off dimensions, constraints, points. Great. So we're now going to make a, there's that bell I was warning you about. Okay, we're going to make a small line from the top and then a longer line along the bottom facing towards the right side. Okay, we're going to go to our 3-point arc. We're going to go from the top of this to the bottom of that line. And then we're going to make a shape kind of like this. It's kind of sloping in. Okay, that looks fine. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our 3-point arc. Oops. We're going to go from this back point. We're going to kind of angle it down and get a shape kind of like this. All right, I'm going to go back to my arc, and we're going to connect this and this point. We're going to close off that profile. Okay, so we're now going to finish our sketch. And we're going to use our revolve. So I'm going to select this profile and this profile. And I'm now, for my axis, I'm going to select this line right here. All right, so that's going to give us a mushroom looking shape. All right, and this is going to be looking like a palm tree. Just give me a moment. So to do that, I'm going to go to my construct, and I'm going to do an offset plane off this entire putting green right here. All right, and what we're looking for is for this offset plane to be just above our mushroom shape. Okay, so that's good, just like that. Cool. So we're going to hit OK, set that. We're going to create a sketch on top of that. And now we're going to go to our project geometry, and we're going to select the outer ring of that. We're going to go to our line. We're going to go from the center point, and we're going to make a line straight up. Now we're going to go to our arc, 3-point arc, and where the outer perimeter of the circle and the center are, we're going to create, it's going to be the 2 points that create this arc. So make it like that. We're going to use our mirror function, select this, and then our mirror line. Oh, our mirror line is going to be here, looking good. So now we're going to go to our circular pattern. We're going to select our 2 profiles and then the center point. Okay, we have 3. We're going to bump this up to 6. All right, looking good. And now we're going to finish the sketch. We're going to go to extrude, and we're going to grab the space in between our palm fronds. Okay, and let's get a good front view going. We're going to drag this down. All right, so that is, sorry for the interruptions. So that is how we make our palm tree. And in the next video, I'll show you more features.